Hello children, I am Vikesh from MLZS School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. So we are begin with the new topic of chapter Combustion and Flame, and the topic is fire. So since ancient time the fire can be used for cooking food, and the fire can also be used to clear the forest. So as everybody knows that fire is a chemical reaction. Fire need three components to burn. That one is the oxygen, then fuel, and then certain temperature, that is called heat. These three components are needed to ignite and sustain the fire. That's why these three components are make up the fire triangle, as you can see in the picture. And these three can help to burn the fire in the nature. Next topic is extinguishing a fire. So how can be extinguishing a fire? Fire can be extinguishing either the bringing the igneous temperature below the minimum level. उसके जलने के temperature को बहुत कम कर देना. Either we will cut the supply of the oxygen. But mostly time at our home we are using a two method. One is we are using a water to extinguishing a fire, and the other method is using a sand. But in the big buildings we are using a fire extinguisher, or sometimes we are using a soda fire extinguishers. So let's discuss about the carbon dioxide extinguisher. It is a type of extinguisher which can contain carbon dioxide, is stored in a high pressure in the liquid state in the cylinder. It is a non-flammable gas. If you can see in the picture, the white smoke is a carbon dioxide which can cut the supply of the oxygen from the atmosphere, and this carbon dioxide will act like a blanket which totally cut the supply of oxygen, and fire will be extinguished. And the next one is a soda acid fire extinguisher. This type of extinguisher work due to the chemical reaction of acid which release carbon dioxide gas, and you know that carbon dioxide cut off the supply and help to extinguish the fire. Combustion substance can be used as a fuel for various applications. If fuel has a moderate ignious temperature and produce a large quantity of heat, it is said to be a good of value. As you can see in the table, there are various fuels given, their type of fuels, as well as they have given you the calorific value. Means more calorific value is, that means it is a good fuel which can give you the more heat. As you can see on the top is a, the less calorific value is containing a coal, whereas the high calorific value is containing by the hydrogen. If you can see, the petrol can containing a 45,000 calorific value, whereas the LPG which you are using at your home is more than the petrol. This is 50,000. So according to the calorific value in this table, we will categorize the fuel from top to bottom. Now this is the last topic of this chapter, that is characteristic of a good fuel. Let's see what are these. Number one, readily available, means easy availability. That means second one is cheap. Third one, easy to store and transport. Fourth one, burn at a moderate temperature, means it will be not require lots of temperature to burn. Then fifth one, produce a large amount of heat. And the last one is does not cause pollution. So these all are the good characteristic of a good fuel for us. So in today's video we have seen the uses of fire. Fire can be used. Then we have discussed about the fire triangle. Then we have seen how to stop the fire by water, sand, by using fire extinguisher, by using soda fire extinguisher. Then we have discussed the calorific value of different fuel and the characteristic of a good fuel. Thank you.